Hi everyone, good evening. This is Teacher Jem. So today we are going to discuss how to insert or download or upload files in our Google Drive. So let's start. So this is just a quick video or tutorials on how to. So first, let's open our Google Chrome. Okay, Chrome. So yun. So as we can see, naka-login na dito yung Google account ko. Yan. And then we're just going to click this one, yung maraming bilog-bilog. And then click Drive. So, lalabas na yung mga files nyo pag ganyan. So, click New. Okay, this one. So, this one. Click New. Okay? If you are going to create a new folder, okay, you can add here ESL. So, let's create it. So, new folder. So, dito lalabas yun. So, kung gusto mong lagyan ng laman yan, okay, file upload. Okay, file upload. So let's choose. So I have here video. So you are just going to click, okay, the video, the audio, the picture that you are going to upload on your file, on your Google Drive. So for example, I will have this one. Okay. So uploading na siya dito. So ayun na, pumasok na siya. Ngayon, paano natin i-share ito? Paano ito magiging open sa mga taong mag-share natin? So, okay, let's go to Drive. Okay. Click natin itong ESL. Itong ESL, itong file na folder na ginawa natin. And then, click itong 3 button down dito. And then, share. So, ano bang meron sa share? So, pag kinlik mo yan, okay, of course, ang may access lang yan is ikaw. For general access, restricted yan. So, pag restricted, ikaw lang ang makakita niyan kahit i-share mo ng i-share yung link. So, you have to change this. So, click anyone with the link. So, maa-upload yan. And then, copy the link. Tapos, yung nakopy na link nyo, i-send nyo sa taong gusto nyong pag-sharean ng link. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kadali. Again, so share. Okay? Pag open na yung file, okay, anyone with the link na siya, okay, meron ding actions pa. Pwedeng viewer lang siya, commenter, or editor. So, it's up to you kung anong pwede nilang gawin doon sa file na yon. Okay, so, yun lang. So, if you don't want to share it anymore, so, balik mo sa restrict, and that's it. So, again, how to upload? Okay, click new, file upload, get the, choose the folder kung saan yung sinave man, yung dapat yung i-upload. And then, click open. And then, magda-download na siya ng pusa. And then, nandito na siya. So, yeah, that's all. So, thank you for watching this small video or quick video tutorial on how to upload on Google Drive. So, thank you.